Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both source and target have compatible rigs. This saves hours later. Open the source import settings and set animation type to humanoid, then create an avatar so Unity can map muscles. For the target, do the same and inspect bone assignments. Adjust any mismapped limbs or root transforms. Once done, test both avatars in the avatar configuration to confirm rotations and T-pose alignment. This initial alignment prevents retargeting translation and scale errors down the line. Now you wire up the animator and clips for the retarget. Create an animator controller on the target and drag source clips in a state so you can preview transitions. If you only need specific bones, make an avatar mask and assign it on layers to isolate retargeting. This helps when combining animations like run plus aim. Configure clip settings. Apply root motion or bake into pose based on whether the target should preserve world movement. Make sure IK and generic constraints are disabled while testing to simplify mapping. Finally, place your target in the scene and assign the animator controller and the newly created avatar. Play the scene to observe the retargeted motion. Watch root position and limb orientations closely and adjust avatar or import scale if limbs slide. If you see joint popping or inverted knees, pause and reopen avatar configuration to correct bone mappings or normalize bone rotations. Sometimes re-exporting the source with a consistent T-pose fixes persistent issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: rebake the source clip with consistent root motion to remove jitter.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.